Make a documents with this size. Apply a gradient from the adjustments layer. And follow the process. Write any text as you want. Here I am using Gotham fonts. Adjust this image on text. Decrease the opacity. And clipping mask to the layer. Go to the blending option. Apply inner shadow. And copy these settings. Ctrl-J for duplicate the layer and follow the method. Ctrl+Enter for all selection. And apply layer mask. Go to the blending option. Apply shadows. And copy these settings. Thanks for watching.